What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the AI Drop News. I'm Blaze, and today we're covering the biggest AI showdown in history and a massive deployment that's putting AI into 800 million devices. Let's dive in. February 7th just witnessed the most dramatic product launch in SI history. OpenAI and Anthropic staged a Wild West showdown, both dropping new coding models within 15 minutes of each other. Here's what went down. Originally scheduled for 10 a.m. Pacific, Anthropic moved their launch up 15 minutes. By 10:01 a.m., OpenAI's GPT 5.3 Codex was live. 2 frontier coding agents in 30 minutes. GPT 5.3 Codex is a game changer. It's the first model that was instrumental in creating itself. OpenAI's team used early versions to debug its own training and manage deployment. It scored 77.3% on Terminal Bench 2.0 versus 64% for its predecessor, a massive 13-point leap. Plus, it's 25% faster and uses half the tokens. But here's the kicker. OpenAI classified this as high for cybersecurity risks. It's so good at coding, it could potentially enable real-world cyber harm. That's why they're delaying full API access. So what's driving this? Market share wars. OpenAI's enterprise share dropped from 62% to 53%, while Anthropic grew from 14% to 18%. Both companies are even aired competing Super Bowl ads. The AI coding wars just went mainstream. Samsung just announced they're doubling down. 800 million AI-enabled devices by end of 2026. That's double last year's 400 million. We're talking smartphones, tablets, wearables, TVs, and home appliances. Samsung's co-CEO said it straight. We will apply AI to all products, all functions, and all services as quickly as possible. This is huge for Google. Samsung's giving Alphabet a distribution channel for Gemini that dwarfs Google's own Pixel line. Galaxy AI brand awareness jumped from 30% to 80% in 1 year. The most popular features: circle to search, generative photo editing, and real-time translation. The tech backbone: Samsung's new Exynos 2600 processor with a neural processing unit 6 times faster than the previous generation. But there's a catch. Global memory chip shortages mean price hikes for consumer electronics might be inevitable in 2026. Now here's a perspective that's shaking up Silicon Valley. Peter Steinberger, creator of OpenClaw and the viral agent-only social network Moltbook, just dropped a controversial take on the Y Combinator podcast. His argument: Silicon Valley needs to stop trying to build AI gods and start building AI specialists. Steinberger is making a case against the entire industry's obsession with AGI and superintelligence. He draws a simple parallel. Humans don't succeed because we're generalists. We succeed through specialization. That's how we build iPhones and travel to space. Not with one super genius, but with teams of specialists who are brilliant at specific things. Meanwhile, Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, USB-C for AI, just became the industry standard. OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google all embraced it. This is the infrastructure moving agentic AI from demos to real-world deployment. Quick hits. World models are exploding. AI that understands 3D physics, not just text. Google's Genie and Fei Li's World Labs just launched Marble. And IBM says 2026 is quantum computing's breakthrough year. The takeaway: the future might not be one super intelligent AI, it's specialized AI agents working together. There's your AI news drop for February 2026. OpenAI versus Anthropic in the coding wars, Samsung putting AI in 800 million devices, and a controversial challenge to Silicon Valley's AGI obsession. One thing's clear: the future of AI might not be one superintelligence. It could be specialized agents working together. Smash that like button, subscribe to the AI Drop News, and drop a comment on which story surprised you most. I'm Blaze, and I'll catch you in the next drop. Stay informed, stay ahead.